Hey guys, now raise your hand those who do not want to achieve success in your life. Oh, no one? Oh, sorry, it's my fault. It's my fault. Now raise your hand those who want to achieve success in your life.
Raise your hand.
Everyone? This is the truth that everyone of this world want to achieve success in their life. But this is the fact that a very few of them get success and the rest remain unsuccessful. So what is your opinion about those persons who do not achieve success in their life? Please answer me.
Answer.
To get the luxurious life.
No, that's not absolutely right. Now raise your hand those who are not working on your dream in the way to the success. No one. It means everyone are working on their dream. This is the second fact of the world, that everyone of this world who have just dreamed to achieve success in their life, they work upon it. As we all know that the road to the success and the road to the failure are exactly almost the same. But the things that matters a lot is that how dedicatedly you are going through the way. If you will leave the way at any point, then definitely you will achieve failure. You will be an unsuccessful person. But if you are going on the way with dedication, with burning desires in your heart, then definitely you will achieve success one day. It doesn't matter that how hard and how fast you are going on the way to success, but it always matters that how smartly and how steady you are going through it. As it was said that hard working is the key to achieve success. So I think no, it's not quite correct. So now let's change it. That smart and steady working is the way to achieve success. Yes, as we all know that every day is the new page of our book. Book means our life. It means every morning comes with a new chapter in our life, and our work is to just simply complete that particular chapter within that particular day. The question arises, why? We have a lot of time to solve that particular chapter. No, the answer is too simple. Because from the next morning we have to go through the next chapter. As I mentioned that every morning comes with a new chapter in our life. It means the chapter will remain incomplete forever. If you wanted to take an example of a person who is taking this too seriously, that the work of today should be done within today only. He is the most dedicated, active comedian as well as the actor of Bollywood, Mr. Akshay Kumar. I think you all are well known to him. It doesn't matter to him that what the other kinds of peoples are doing at night. He wakes up at 4 a.m. in the morning with dedications. He completes all his work of the day within the day till evening. He spends some of his time with his family member, and after taking the dinner, he goes to his bed with satisfaction. Yes or no? So as a result, what we can see? As a result, we can see the actor only who gives about 10 to 15 movies in a year is Akshay Kumar. On the another hand, you can see the other actor used to give 1 or 2 movies in a 2 to 3 years. So the result is so clear. And now I am presenting a line of Kabir, not Kabir Singh. Okay, that's Kabir Das. He said, काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब पल में परलय होएगी बाहुरी करोगे. The meaning of this line is today. By this line, Kabir wants to make us understand that the work of tomorrow should be done today, and the work of today should be done right now. But I'm not saying so, because you all are staying in a digital world, and this world is too slow than the ancient is. Yes or no? Yes, of course. So if you want to achieve success in your life, you must have to get up with determination of your life. You have to wake up with determination. You have to work, you have to complete all the work of your life, all the work of your day within that day. Don't leave it for tomorrow. Okay? So this line will work as your Ramban in the way of success. My topic was just to wake up with determination and go to bed with satisfaction. After completing all your work of the day, you can go to bed with satisfaction. Yes or no? By the way, it's me Vikram, son of Mr. Virendra Singh from Chhatrapati. And if you like my performance and if you like to see me on the next round or the final round, just vote for me. That's all. Thank you.